Hey guys, so this is the answer for your practice test. So I noticed that you only have 4 wrong answers. They are question 2, 3, and 7. So let's look at question 2 first. So question 2 asks you where will the tourists go last. So we look at the 3 pictures. Picture A is a river and a boat. B, you see a lot of trees. And C is castle. So this is what you do before you listen to the recording, like we learned this morning. If you look at the tape script, you can see that answer C shows first, and then B, the famous garden, which you guess that there are a lot of trees, because you know the gardens you can't see easily from picture B, and C is and A is the trip on the riverboat here. So if you look at the question, where will the tourists go last? So we still have the famous gardens to see and the trip on the riverboat. So how do you know that it's going to be last? Because you see the word at the end of the day. Cuối ngày, right? At the end of the day, right? Okay, let's move on. So the answer is A. At the end of the day, they will have a trip on the riverboat. A. So question number 3. So how much does the man pay for the postage? So you see 3 postage stamps, right? And 3 prices. €7 and 50 cents, €15 and 50 cents, and €18 and 50 cents. If you look at the tape script, C is the first answer that you can hear. A is next, and B is the last one. If you look at the question, how much does the man pay for the postage? And you hear that the man need to send it by the air. And by air, if he sends it by air, it's going to be €18 and 50 cents. The last time he paid €15, but this time he paid €18 and 50 cents. So this is a distraction. So the answer is C. Question 6. So A is a plane, B are elephants, and C are, you see a lot of penguins. The question is what the television program is about. So you can see answers B, the woman who films elephant appears first, and C, it doesn't say anything about penguins, but you see she's visiting the South Pole, and the penguins live in the South Pole. So it's kind of challenging. So we choose C. We don't see answer A mentioned. Mình không có thấy answer A here, right? And the last one, question 7. Which vehicle? Vehicles mean car or bikes or motorbikes. Vehicle does Steve intend to buy? So A, you can see a van, B is a car, and C is a sport car. Which one? Answer shows first is his sport cards. B is the next. You see a 4-door car with a lot of space for luggage. And A, he's got a van. The question is, which vehicle does Steve intend to buy? So you can see here that the man and the woman is discussing that he is going to sell the sport car because the 3 children need something more practical, thực tế, like you can use. So the woman suggests that she thinks a 4-door car with a lot of space will be enough for his children. So vehicle that Steve intends to buy should be B because it has enough space for his 3 children. Okay?